Welcome to Eastern Paradigm. I'm Peter Vishavatari. Durga Ashtami or Maha Ashtami is the 8th day of Navratri festival celebrated by Hindus for worshipping Goddess Durga. In India, fasting is undertaken by Hindu people on this holy occasion. This day is also known for Astra Puja, as on this day, the weapons of Goddess Durga are worshipped. The day is also known as Veera Ashtami, as there are seen to use arms of martial arts on this day. In Kokrajhar town, devotees were observed earnestly offering their Anjali, a gesture of respect and devotion to the revered Goddess Durga. Notably, former Chief of the Bodoland Territorial Council, Hagrama Mahilary, and the former Cabinet Minister of Assam, Srimati Pramila Rani Brahma, were also witnessed seeking blessing from the divine deity. Here, we bring you exclusive visuals of the Maha Ashtami Puja capturing the essence of the secret event.